Using a Wall Street volatility model, I estimate that SpaceX's closing price on Monday, June 29th, is likely to fall somewhere between 146 and 159. Now let me show you exactly how I got that estimate in Google Sheets. Here are SpaceX's daily closing prices since Tuesday, June 16th, when it appeared to stabilize, showing a steep drop from 201 down to the 153 range. We convert these prices into daily percentage returns, basically how much the stock moved each day. Next, we square those returns, which gives us a measure of each day's variance regardless of direction. We feed those squared returns into an exponential moving average recursion, so recent days carry more weight than the older ones. That EWMA volatility of 2.2% gives us a 2 standard deviation price range for Monday of roughly 146 to 159. All three panels together tell the story: prices falling, big negative returns, and volatility that spiked on the 22nd and has been decaying ever since. Two caveats to watch for Monday: the Fidelity IPO flip lockout expires, and SpaceX just got added to the Russell 1000 Friday. Either could move the price outside our model's range. With memory and sensitivity splitting evenly at 0.5, our Monday volatility estimate is 2.18%, giving a price range of 146 to 159. But when I bump memory up to 0.75, the model holds onto that ugly 16% drop on the 22nd longer. Volatility jumps up to 4.5%, and then the price range widens out to 139 to 166.